it's cold. It is so cold. Oh man. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode of Shifting States. Welcome back on this nice, cold, windy freaking day. But we are out on two wheels taking advantage of being alive. Woohoo! Alright. Alright, I gotta apologize right off the bat, guys. It is cold. I actually pulled out my big old thick, heavy leather jacket, which I hate wearing jackets, man. I just feel so like constricted and confined. But today definitely calls for it because it is cold. So cold. Anyways, guys, so like I said, it's a new year, and this year I want to take Shifted State and talk about motivational and positive things. So with that said, today, and forgive me, like I said, I'm going to be distracted because it is cold. Woo, so cold. But I want to talk about basically revenge type stuff, getting even, or how to deal with people doing you wrong. And guess what? That's going to happen a lot in your life. And I just want to say that with that, I don't even have to start off this conversation, but you're going to get this happen to you a lot in life. People are going to do you wrong, and you're going to get upset about it, and you're going to have a lot of hate for that person or people that have done you wrong. But let's go ahead and start it off right and say, yeah, situations are going to happen, and you're going to feel like you were taken advantage of or mistreated or whatever the case may be. But with that said, things happen in life where it may be a misunderstanding. So first and foremost, if you felt like you were done wrong, speak up about it and confront that person about it, because that person might not even be aware of what they did. So confront them about it and give them the opportunity to right or wrong. After that, you know, if they basically blatantly said they did it on purpose, that's when, yeah, it's an issue, and that's really going to eat at you. But you can't let situations like that in your life. Basically, the best thing to do, like I googled this. I said, is it better to forgive or get revenge? And of course the answer was to just, you don't have to forgive, but you can let it go. And because what it all comes down to is, and I know I'm rambling about this because it's a lot on my mind with it, but what it ultimately comes down to is, if someone did you wrong and you spend all your time trying to right that wrong through revenge, getting even, whatever it may be, you're distracting yourself from bettering yourself in life and bettering your life and pursuing your own happiness, because your mindset is so set on destroying someone else that you're gonna end up destroying yourself, because all you're gonna be thinking about is negative, 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 and then in your own life you're gonna be missing out on opportunities where you could have been happy, you know. And we can all agree, like, when someone wrongs you, it hurts, and it hurts bad. But you have to be the better person and decide, like, I'm not going to waste my time worrying about that person, because some people are just, they're evil like that. And they get off on hurting people. But you need to take the time, your time, and focus your energy on bettering yourself. Because for one, those people might not even care that you hurt you. They're probably moved on with their life, out living it up, having a good time, and you're too busy worried about trying to destroy them or get back at them. I mean, you're just miserable. You wake up miserable and your whole day is just ruined. Whereas you wake up, you get out, you go and be like, don't even worry about what they did. It's in the past. It's time to move on. But with that said, you have to learn to also, for one, control your emotions. Two, don't let them get the better of you. Because by letting them see you in anger all the time and trying to get back at them, they're laughing about it because now they have that control over you. So, and I'll bring this to a point too. Even if you have that person who's trying to hurt you or destroy you even more, like through text, email, whatever it may be, trying to push the issue, ignore them. Because by responding, you get nothing out of that, nothing. Unless they're trying to apologize to you, but I doubt that at this point. So you need to just straight up ignore those texts, ignore those emails, ignore anything that they're trying to do to like just provoke you. Because once they get that, you know, reaction out of you, they know, hey, I got him. Now his day's ruined or whatever it may be. So ignore them. Because, I mean, what are they really? They're just somebody that passed through your life real quick, did something nasty, and you move on. But on the flip side of things, like I said, if they continue to pursue and try to hurt you and talk bad about you or whatever it may be, keep your emotions in check. Okay? You want to keep your emotions in check. Don't react right off the bat when they do something. Think. Use your head. Plot. Nothing has to be physical. Okay? And like I said, I'm saying this on the flip side of things, if they're trying to destroy you. A lot of people think like the first reaction is to, hey, I'm gonna go beat this person up. There's things worse in life than beating someone up. You beat someone up, you get in a physical altercation with them, they're gonna win. They're gonna get charged with assault, battery, whatever it may be, legal means also. And then they end up taking your income because they take you to court and sue you. So, like I said, keep your emotions in check. Think, plot, plan, wait. Opportunity, timing, two key factors. So use your head. But that aside, like I said, this video is more so about being on the positive side of things and not letting someone get the better of you. So you need to concentrate on improving your life, making it better, making it the best you can be. Hey puppy, he's all alone. Oh man. Oh, it's cold out. So with that said, you know, just concentrate on bettering yourself, because whatever that person did to hurt you, it's going to be in the past. And 10 years from now, more likely you're not even going to be thinking about them. So don't waste your time trying to destroy someone else who's gotten at you. That's my little piece of advice for today on this nice cold day. And my other piece of advice is wear thicker gloves if it's cold. Oh. Or a heavier jacket. But other than that, man, it's a beautiful day. I hope you guys are enjoying life. I don't know what else to say. Like, I'm so cold right now. All I'm thinking about is turning around, going back home. But I want to make sure I make a video for you guys. And I'm trying out my new GoPro here, so I may or may not be using, you know, different shots. So, but anyways, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and all that good stuff, guys. And when summertime gets here, man, I'm gonna ride and enjoy it so much better. And Look forward to more videos. I got a new tire I'm going to be putting on soon. I know that's not exciting, but gotta maintain the ride. So you guys ride safe. I love you all. Hit that subscribe button. Check out some more videos. Hit me up on Facebook and Instagram. Got a lot of behind the scenes, you know, motivational pictures I'm gonna be posting up there. So hey, love you guys. Ride safe. Stay warm.